Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Appreciate you guys joining on, and good for you to show up to the markets again. And markets are always here for us. We just have to be here, be present and show up to the market. All right, let's jump into the charts. Before I get too distracted. Y'all distracted me. All right, let's go. Same thing that we always do, right? 1 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. We got 1 hour supply right here. And then we have a 1 hour demand. So the thing is, with price action currently where it's at, it's a bit too tight on the NASDAQ. So some risky trades there. Oh, wait, you guys can't see it on my trading view, bro. I'm over here moving my trading view as if you guys can see it. So we are in this 1 hour supply. Okay. So shorts do look pretty interesting up here, but there is a 1 hour demand here. See that here? So it's pretty risky for any sort of like breakout trade because there could be buyers coming in right here, right? We really don't know. So let's look left to see if there's any indication. Okay, so we're pushing some highs back in January 13th. So it's a pretty risky area because we could try to break out here or we could fail. I don't want to push anything currently. We got higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high. And then we broke this lower high. So essentially we'd want to be looking at shorts up here. But because we're about to break, we're close to these highs. I don't know if I feel too confident in the long setup. So NQ, nothing too clear for me yet. Maybe you guys see something that I don't. But NQ, I'm going to kind of stay away from. If we get a 5-minute candle closure above this orange line, it'd be a break of structure. Then I would look for longs. Gold's coming up to our entry area. It's a bit of a high risk setup. We are tapping into this 1 hour demand. Just a tad bit risky. Could just blow right through our demand area. NQ breaking hearts right now. Just this wick, this 5-minute candle is crazy. Remember, with NQ, I'm waiting for a retracement to go short if it happens for us. My goodness, it's coming straight to the hour demand. Never mind. Scratch what I said. We might not get that retracement. It's just dropping. All right, we got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. Here's the thing, is it might not tap our entry area. Bro, are we not going to get filled? We might not get our fill. There's two trades forming here. There's one that we're in right now, this supply for 5 minute. I'm just going to see what happens. And then we have NQ coming back up to a 5-minute supply. I'm in MNQ. Shorts. I just closed the trade out, not moving in the direction I want it to. I see gold pulling up, so I'm going to switch over. NQ pushing up higher was not safe to me. So when I saw gold rejecting the 5-minute supply, so I'm going to take that shot. I thought 5 was going to give me more space, so it didn't. We might get stopped out on gold. I thought 5 micros was going to give me enough space, but it's not. So I'm going to have to get stopped out and then look for an entry. This is the last minute candle. Very crucial. Very crucial on this 5-minute candle. You have to see this 5-minute candle close bearish. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got to see this break. The retracement can stop us out, which is the problem. We really have to see this push. I'm probably too early in putting my stops at break even. I'm going to let this breathe. If I get stopped out at 250, I'm good with that. So we grabbed the 13 EMA on the 5 minute, which is good. It's a good bearish confluence. But we're also in a 5 minute demand, so we have to be careful. My take profit that I'm looking for is obviously always the swing low here if we get there. But there is also a 5 minute demand down here that is potentially available for us. I don't know if we're going to get down there, but I'm just going to hold. Yeah, this 5 minute demand scares me, but you know what? I'm just going to keep holding. My mind's like racing to figure out, oh, do we continue lower? What do we do? You know, so just trying to watch price action, let the trade tell me what's going on. All right, we had 2 5 minute candle closes. I'm going to put my stops above this 5 minute candle. Dang it. I chickened out. I chickened out. I'm locking myself out all day. Oh, man. GG's, everybody. GG's. Let's go. I closed too early. I chickened out. I was trying to hold for the swing low. I've been here before. At this point, it's going to be painful if it continues to drop. But GG's, I'm out. Locked in $968. Oh, what the heck? Oh, the 8 o'clock candle just hit. 8 o'clock candle just hit. That's when volume kind of steps up. If you took that trade, GG's. Good for you. Locked in the profits for the day. I forgot that we were trading on all the accounts, which is crazy on all 4. But hey, we had a winner. Bro, that's $4 grand. That's crazy work to me.